Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to determine if your computer supports 5 GHz hotspot or not. So 5 GHz Wi-Fi spectrum is approximately 500 MHz, and devices can use up to 6 larger 80 MHz channels for faster speed. And then I'll show you how to determine. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu. And dito sa search for app, so type mo lang dito yung CMD or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt, and then kailangan mo lang mag right click and select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and click yes. And dito sa administrator command prompt, kung paano ba natin i-determine kung ang ating computer or laptop ay pwede siya or supported siya ng 5 GHz. So kailangan lang natin i-enter yung command keyword na NATSH space WLEN space show space drivers. Okay, so kailangan mo lang i-type yung command keyword na NATSH space WLEN space SHOW space DRIBERS, and press mo lang yung enter. At makikita mo na dito yung details ng ating Wi-Fi. So nandito yung kanyang driver, vendor, provider, date, versions, and kung paano ba natin i-determine ang ating computer or laptop kung supported siya ng 5 GHz. Kapag may nakita ka dito sa kanyang radio types supported na 802.11a, ay supported siya ng 2.4 GHz. Kapag 802.11b, ay supported siya ng 5 GHz. Kapag 802.11g, ay supported siya ng 2 GHz. And 802.11n, supported siya ng dalawa, both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz. And kapag 802.11ac ay supported siya ng 5 GHz. Okay, so makikita nyo dito sa ating radio type supported ay mayroon ditong 802.11b, 0.11g, 0.11n, 0.11a, 0.11ac, or 0.11ax. So talagang supported siya ng ating 5 GHz ng Wi-Fi 6. Mabilis po ito mga kaibigan mag-connect. Kapag ganito yung computer or laptop mo ay supported siya ng 5 GHz, mabilis po siya mag-process. Alright, so other details, scroll down ka lang and then nandito siya. So number of supported bands, may dalawa dito and supported siya ng dalawa. Okay? Alright, so ganun lang po kasimple on how to check if your computer laptop supports 5 GHz Wi-Fi. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.